Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube creator account. Click Switch Account, then click Switch Account again when the Accounts menu appears, then select View All Channels from the list. Click the Create a Channel button and a channel creation dialog appears with fields for your channel name and handle. Type your channel name into the first field. The recording shows Demotuda being typed first. Then after trying different handles, North Lane Studio is entered as the final name. Now, type your custom handle into the handle field, starting with the @ symbol. If you see a handle availability error, YouTube will suggest alternative handles below the field. Click one of the suggested handles to use it. The handle field updates automatically. Click the Create Channel button at the bottom of the dialog to confirm. YouTube creates your new channel and returns you to the All Channels page where you'll see it listed. Click on your new channel from the list. Your channel page loads with the name and handle you set. The channel profile appears with a default icon showing your channel is now active and ready to use. Your handle is your unique channel identifier and can't be changed for 14 days after creation, so choose carefully or use a suggested one. If you want to add a custom profile picture or banner later, click the Customize Channel button on your channel page. You can create multiple channels under one Google account by returning to the All Channels page and clicking Create a Channel again. And that's how to make a YouTube creator account. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.